You will be amazed by this 2024 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an iconic Toyota Tacoma that's ready for work or play. This midsize pickup is ready to tow or hit the trail and comes loaded with driver assistance and safety features. Rugged and capable, it's the right choice for your adventurous spirit. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, fog lamps, heated mirrors, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm, aluminum wheels. Feel confident on the road or trail in this capable Tacoma. Come in and take it out for a spin. We're here to make your test drive experience the best it can be.